Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deactivate Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let's go ahead, open up our Instagram app, and now we have this kind of interface, right? For deactivation, we have to access our profile icon, which is in the bottom right. Now go back to show you the process. Afterwards, now tap on this three horizontal line on top and tap on this option of settings and privacy. Now afterwards, the first option here is your account section. You will find account center. Tap on it. Now over here, all you have to do is tap on this personal details option and then you will find this option of account ownership and control. Tap on it. Now choose this option of deactivation or deletion and choose your Instagram account from over here. Choose the deactivate account and tap on continue. Now enter the password of your account, tap on this continue, and you will be able to reconfirm it and deactivate your Instagram account for a temporary period of time, and you're done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.